In this video, I'm going to walk you through how I use LinkedIn's Sales Navigator to make connections that are part of my ideal customer profile, or ICP, and why I recommend you do it if you're leading a sales department or you're a salesperson who wants to grow your network and eventually get customers. So first thing you do is you open up your LinkedIn page, and from there open up Sales Navigator. Now, Sales Navigator is a paid feature of LinkedIn. I pay, I think, $99 a month, but it's well worth it if you really want to grow your network and make good connections that are part of your perfect, what I call perfect prospect profile, and get customers out of it. If you like this type of content, sales content, and building your network, and you're watching this on YouTube, please subscribe to my channel and ring the notification bell, and you'll be notified of any new videos that I come up with. So after opening up the Sales Navigator, I click on my Save Searches, and I've got several. I've got 3 here under Leads and actually 1 under Accounts. And the nice thing about these searches, they keep all of your saved filters. Underneath here, if there are any new people who fit my filters, which I'm going to show you in a minute, they'll show up right here. So I'll just click on this, and it will open up the list of accounts that meet my profile. And over here on the left-hand column, you can see all of the ones that I have. So I'm a fractional sales VP, and my business is to help small companies with sales processes, optimizing their team, hiring for their team, all the things that a small business needs to do, and help the founder get out of the sales department so he can really grow the business. So my profile, my company headcount would be 11 to 50 employees in the United States, and you can pick your industries. I pick things around technology because I have spent my whole life in technology, and that's where I've had most of my success. Down here I can exclude companies that, these are lists that I have where I keep all of my accounts in my leads, and I don't want to see them every time that I open up Navigator. So I have fresh new accounts to look at. So I can exclude these lists, and you'll see the difference between green is include and red is exclude. The other criteria I have for my accounts is that they're hiring on LinkedIn, and LinkedIn knows they're hiring. They probably have a help wanted ad on LinkedIn. And this is important for my criteria because typically if they're hiring, they may be hiring in the sales department, and they're expanding and they're growing, and maybe opportunity to organize the sales department. So these are the filters that I put in. Let me close that a little bit. And so LinkedIn will give you the list of all of them. Unfortunately, it brought up the saved ones, which you shouldn't have done. So I'll have to talk to my sales rep about that, why the filter wasn't taking hold. Let's go to this page here and get a fresh list of accounts. I'll right-click on this one, and I'll open it in a new tab. And here it's going to list all of the people who are part of this company, right? And so you can see they have 37 employees, there are 8 decision makers, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to show all the decision makers, because for my business, I typically need to meet with the CEO to make the sale. Yours may be different. You may need to talk with the vice president of sales. Whatever it is, you're going to put those in your filters. So I'm going to click here and put a list of the decision makers, and LinkedIn will show it. And right away at the top, it's going to show me the CEO. And I'll blur these out so I protect the innocent and don't show their names. Over here, I'll click these 3 dots and I'll connect. And I'll type in my message. I'll put in the person's first name, put in my message, which is very straightforward. LinkedIn indicated you're hiring. I hope we can connect, share insights. A little bit about what I do, about helping founders scale, people who have technology companies, and how I can help them with their sales processes, etc. If you'd like to discuss, a very non-threatening message, and put my name. And I am a LinkedIn top sales management voice, so I include that. It adds to my credibility, and I just click send the invitation. Then I'll go through the rest of the list here, and if I reach out to them, I'll click their button and save it to a list. And I've got several lists here where I keep all of my accounts if I want to refer back to them. And that's the process I use for getting new connections on LinkedIn. It's very straightforward, it's easy, and I get really good results for it. Once again, I want to caution you about something. When you do get an acceptance to one of your connection requests, don't just pitch. You don't want to be a connect and pitch person. It's off-putting, and the people will feel they're kind of deceived. Your goal is to be able to make a connection, put your content, and hopefully your content can help them, in front of them on a daily or weekly basis, so that you build up trust and they get to know you and see that you know what you're talking about. People want to hire specialists and people who have a proven track record and it can help them. And never forget, it's always about them. That's the process I use. I hope it helps you. Feel free to reach out to me if you want any clarifications or other ideas. And in another video, I'll go into what to do once they accept your connection, because that's really important. It starts the conversation, and that's where you start to build trust in a relationship that could last you a long time. I've got contacts and connections of mine on LinkedIn who've been there for years. I hope this video helps you. If you found value in this video and you liked it, please click the like button, and if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel. Thank you again.